folks, I got another tournament video for you guys. We went out and fished stop number 3 with bass lunkers here in Central Florida out on Surveyors Lake, which is a fairly small lake considering the size of our group is growing. Long story short, we did go out and practice last weekend. We got on a phenomenal square bill bite. We were cranking them out of shallow cover. Look at that, first cast with it. Come here, buddy. All right, that's a good sign. Okay. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Oh God. It's another 15 or another 16. Definitely tournament quality. Jesus. I do not know what's going on here. These hooks are sharp. Well, smallest one of the day, guys. I will say it's been a successful practice. That's about a 4-pounder. And that was the pattern. We were gonna stick with that today, but long story short, the wind was blowing all of my spots out and we sort of had to improvise from there. All in all, it was a good day. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. $6.30. Good luck to you, brother. I hope so. Oh, top water. Okay, please don't get a treble hook in me, sir. Go ahead and get back in there. Hook and line and gum and everything stuck in between. Fish number 2, guys. Spending more time with line wrapped around my hooks this morning than anything. It's pretty bad. A freaking treble hook pierced my braid, brother. Oh no, I have my SD cards. They're in my thing.
fish this place?
Yeah, I did Sunday.
Find any structure?
No. Not besides what was sticking out of the...
Yeah. That's kind of what I told
Out of the water.
Chris and Novak. I'm like, you guys find, that's the place I can give you. Find any structure. Fish it.
Found something. Under my trolling motor.
Fish?
A gator or a stump, one of the two. I'm not moving. I don't know.
I was saying, don't go between that. It's like a fucking PVC flare. It's really like a funky slot almost. Like a stuff like that.
Oh my gosh. No, he missed it. It was probably like a 15. I know one thing, my trolling motor is stuck like Chuck. I'm gonna try to get out of this real quick. Oh yeah, that's not good. What is that, concrete? No, that was something else. In the heck? Dude, there's so many fish on this little point. 2.5 feet right here. There's not a whole lot of structure on the bottom. There's a little bit of wood here and there, but not a whole lot of anything. What? That is a massive bluegill. Oh my gosh. Well, that is not a bass. Why are you sucking my finger like that? Stud of a bluegill, man. Well, I'm gonna keep trying our luck here with some topwater just for a bit longer. It's a beautiful sunrise. The Lord is good on this beautiful Easter weekend. Oh. The wind is supposed to pick up today, so that is one thing we've got to look out for. I was really hoping to be able to secure a limit before 9. I really don't know if that's going to happen. buddy. Golly. I didn't realize I had that much line. Thankfully, I sharpened those hooks last weekend. Alright, guys. Fish number 3 there. Another 15. Mm-hmm. Trying to get the power fishing, man. I missed some really good ones on this point last Sunday. It'd be nice if they were here. Well, I guess it wouldn't hurt to go try our last spot real quick before the wind picks up. It is 8:15. I think by 9 o'clock we could see 10 mile an hour to 14 mile an hour winds. We've got 3 fish in the boat. We've missed a couple, but we've got a pattern. Oh, I got one. I didn't realize I had one. But yeah, we've got a pattern, it seems, and it's obviously still working, so I don't know if that's going to be a 10, but we're going to measure it. Okay. Gosh, that's another 10-incher on the dot. That is the minimum in these little bass lunker tournaments. And I ain't gonna complain, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, we're gonna go down here to our second spot, hoping nobody is on it, but there's a good chance somebody's chilling on it. Well guys, I was gonna go down here and fish in that cove. I ain't seeing it. It is 9:30 currently. We have until 2:30 until line's out. I'm just not seeing what I was seeing. I think it could be an afternoon type deal. I mean, that is when I came and fished. I think our buddy is off this brush pile now, so I'm gonna hit it up a couple times and we'll go back to where we started this morning. Wind is picking up, as you guys can tell. It's only going to get worse from here. Yeah. Yeah, 3 to 5.
But I can't get them to bite.
Not early this morning they'd bite, but now they're being stingy. I figured they'd be biting with all this wind.
I threw a spinnerbait for like an hour, not quite an hour.
Nothing. Nothing on the old spinnerbait, eh? That was my next move. Well, it's not really halfway point yet, but it is 9:38. Wind is blowing pretty hard now. It's currently blowing 12 miles an hour, and we're headed back to where we started this morning. Tournament days never go as you plan. but we were able to catch a couple fish early this morning. I knew those were going to be key fish to catch because I figured as soon as the wind picked up, it was going to be sort of a tough day. I don't know if these fish have pulled off now or if they're just sort of in a lockdown mode similar to where they've been. A little bit of current could be pulling them off the bit of structure that we've been catching them on. And now it's going to be kind of interesting figuring them out again. Is that what you're catching them on? I ain't caught one on it, but you talked me into it, John. There's a big old brush pile right up underneath us. No, don't do it. Come here, boy. Oh, right in the net. Yeah. Chill. Alright guys, that is our fish number 5. Let's go. You're more than welcome to fish wherever you'd like. I think we're all going to have a party in here within the next hour.
We're all going to be like right here to get out of that.
Oh yeah. I'll probably be on the wacky for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Alright guys, there's a little 2-inch coal there. Alright guys, got another 4-inch coal there. You got it. Get in the boat, sir. Jonathan, you might have it, man.
It's bigger than the last one, I think.
Bigger than 20?
Oh my goodness, shake and shake. Hey, just in time too, my battery's about to die.
Ayo, what's that put you at now?
I have no idea, I'm about to do some math.
Alright guys, we're gonna swap it up to a 2.5.
Alright, she's going back in. I'm gonna send her your way, Chase.
Alright, man. Appreciate it. That's not a bad one. Get in the down net, boy. Chill, chill, chill. All right, guys, that is a solid little cull there. 17. Catfish. Oh, give me.
All right, now we're back where it should be.
Where's that brush pile? It's directly under me. No shot. Oh, I got him. Oh no. Hold on now.
Ah, you got it out. Good.
I got line. What if there's a fish on the other end? Nice.
Dude, that'd be funny.
I would be so happy. Well, guys, that is going to do it. No last minute heroics. Let's go see how we did. I don't know if we did good enough to be competitive today. I know Jonathan whooped my tail. I know a few others probably whooped my tail. We're just gonna have to cross our fingers and hope for the best here. Do what?
I lost power.
I saw you paddling.
Hey, you're gonna change.
Jeez, man, these waves are rough. There we go.
Third place with 81 inches even, Jonathan Gandy. Thomas, 81.
Oh, there it goes. Boom.
81.50. First place with 85 inches. One of y'all want to hold that up? Dale Templeton.
Woo!
Big bass of 20.75. Dale Templeton.
Oh my God. Well, folks, we are pulling out of here slowly. We were super close to top 3. We were just looking for one decent bite, honestly, today, and it was definitely a tough day. I will say we had to grind for the bites that we got. This morning it was sort of easy, but pretty much after the first hour of the day, it was a steady grind for me. However, today with the wind being up, I think the fish were just blown out of the spots I found them in, and the square bill was just not doing what it was last weekend. So pretty much had to improvise with other baits, and yeah, it was a struggle. But all in all, it's been a pretty good day. We were able to secure some AOI points because the last tournament really kicked us down as far as AOI points go. Yeah, it's been a grind, guys. It has been a warm day, but it's also been windy, so it wasn't too bad. It was just one of those days where you couldn't really throw what you wanted to. You had to throw what the conditions allowed you to throw. I'm slowly but surely moving down this little gravel road, trying not to throw my kayak and trailer upside down. It was just one of those tournaments that didn't feel as serious as it could have. So it's always a great day fishing with bass lunkers. I encourage you guys to check them out if you're in the area. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.